Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to share a Facebook post with only your boyfriend or girlfriend. You can share your Facebook post with only specific person. Sometimes we share our Facebook post, but when we share our Facebook post everybody can see it. But right now you can share your Facebook post with specific person. You can see this is my Facebook account, and whenever you come here in Facebook account, then you can see here that is post. So just click on post. Okay, right now I'm going to share my post. So my post is, it's my post, and right now I'm going to share with only my girlfriend. So how I can do it? My post is ready. Then you can find here that is public option. Then you can see here that is friends. Then click on see more. Right now you can find here specific friends. So my target is that is only my girlfriend. I will show this post to only my girlfriend or only my boyfriend. Then just click on specific friends. Then you can see that is I have selected many people. Right now I'm gonna select my girlfriend. So suppose just select just one person who is your girlfriend or boyfriend. After selecting this one, just click on done. You can see there is a specific friend only one. I mean you post only your girlfriend or boyfriend see, then just click on done option. Right now your post will be shared there only with your girlfriend or with your boyfriend. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel, hit that bell icon for getting new videos.